So this video is a DIY full studio shoot. A fellow photographer and I decided to collaborate on a huge project together, and in the process we ended up doing a full studio shoot for absolutely no money. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are able to do your own studio shoot after watching. So the first thing that Kai and I did was meet up at a local cafe to discuss what the theme of our shoot would be and our resources that we had. We decided to do a recycle shoot and use recyclable materials as the main part of our photography series. We knew we wanted the message to be about media, and in that process we decided that the coolest and most graphic way to go about it was to use recycled newspaper, magazines, and shredded paper. We then decided on the colors that we were going to be using for the shoot, and we decided on primary red, blue, and yellow colors and very bold prints because we wanted a very dynamic shoot to go with our recycle mod themed shoot. So at Kai's house, she fully offered her clothes, so we were able to use her closet to figure out the wardrobe for the models. So I'm thinking that for the portrait shot we should have an outfit or a really bold jacket to complement her face. But I don't want to go through your closet like that.
You can. It's so messy. Like, it looks so bad. You can.
A lot of the wardrobe that we chose went along with the theme, so graphic checkered prints or very bright primary color outfits that will go with each model. Then we went to go our separate ways again to contact volunteer models to go for our shoot. Kai and I met up for the third time, and this time I had her come over to my house. At my house we decided to create a mood board to display everything we talked about in front of our faces so we can see how it all goes together, as well as the models who would participate on the day of to see what the theme of the shoot was. We're gonna figure out how to make this room into like a proper studio. Kai and I didn't have a location yet, and we decided that the best option that we had so far with the budget that we had was my living room, and together we figured out the best use of the living room. My living room has really great LED lights, and it also has a giant window for lighting, and we decided to use the main part of the living room as our workspace to set it up for the studio shoot. And there we planned the layout of the entire shoot and what each station was going to be. If not, and my mom was like, no, you're not moving my glass, whatever, we could just take this wall. The run of show for a shoot basically is the agenda of the entire shoot. It shows what the photographers or the art directors are supposed to be doing, as well as the models and the outfits and all the materials needed for the shoot. So on the run of show, I include everyone that's supposed to be there, what time hair and makeup was, which models would be shooting first, which models were in pairs, what outfits they were supposed to be wearing, and what props they needed that we already had. We had the theme, we had the models that volunteered, we had the wardrobe that came from Kai's closet, we had recyclable materials and props that we owned. We also used my living room as a location to be turned into a studio. So in the next video, you'll see the process of Kai and I turning my living room into a studio and setting up the props, the hair and makeup station, the wardrobe station, and the actual studio shoot itself. This is part one of the DIY full studio series, and hopefully I'll see you guys next week in the next video telling you more about the amazing experience.